Welcome back to the Latvian language alphabet course, part 2. Hopefully you have previously repeated and memorized first 11 letters in Latvian alphabet, and now we're gonna move forward in this video and you will learn next 11 letters as well as 20 new Latvian words. How exciting is that, right? So next letter in Latvian alphabet, which is 12th letter, it is letter H. It makes the sound H, but the name of the letter, it is H, as in the word hate, when you hate someone so much, or also in the word hockey. You will learn how to write letter H. So the big letter you would write like this, and the small one you will write like this. And you will learn two words starting with letter H, which is hihināt, when you're just giggling, right? You're not laughing like ha 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 ha. You're actually giggling he 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 he. And the second word will be haizivs, which means shark. And if you wish to put those words together, just for you to memorize those new words better and faster, you could say shark is giggling, haizivs hihina. I'm not sure if you've ever seen such a shark, but just in case, use your imagination and remember those words. The 13th letter in Latvian alphabet, it is letter E. The sound what it makes, it is E. And the name of the letter, it is E2, as in word incarnation. So the way how you write big letter E, it is like this. Small one you can write either like this or just simply like that. And you will learn two words starting with letter E, iela, which means street, and iet, which means to walk or to go. And if you put them together, you could create already a sentence. Walk on the street, iet pa ielu. Let's go for the next letter, which is E, garais E or long E. So what it does, it is just prolonging the sound E double or triple times. As in the word easy, you don't say easy. Well, you can say actually, right? But it's not going to sound quite natural. So you would learn how to write long E right now. And you will write it exactly as a small E, just with a long line on the top. And as in a short E, you could write two ways small E, like with kind of looking like one, and just simply like this. You will learn two words starting with letter E, which are is, which means real, and īpašnieks, which means owner. When you want to speak about real owner of the flat, of the dog, of something or someone, you would say īsts īpašnieks, the real owner. The 15th letter in Latvian alphabet, it is Y. The name of the letter, it is Y, but the sound when you read this letter, it is Y, as in word yes, or just yes. And you will learn how to write letter Y, which is similar to E and garais E, just with a little horizontal line in the middle. And the small letter Y, you write just like this. Today you will learn two words starting with letter Y, which is jauns, and it means new, when you buy something new, some new phone, maybe some new clothes. And second word would be juns, or roof. Hopefully when you build a house, you also can have some roof. And once you put those words together, you already have some little sentence. Jauns jums, which means new roof. The 16th letter in Latvian alphabet, it is letter K. The name of the letter, it is K, but the sound what it makes, it's only K, as in the word cat, for example. And you will learn how to write letter K The large letter or big letter you write like this, the capital one, and the little one or the small one you write like this. And you will learn two words starting with letter K. First, it is krusti or crosses, and kalns, which means hill. And together, putting those words, you create a little sentence or the name, which is krustu kalns. If you visit Latvia or you already are living in Latvia, I would highly recommend you to go to Lithuania to Krustu Kalns. Visit it. You don't need much time there, just maybe a few minutes, but it's a beautiful place. You can see the whole hill of crosses. The 17th letter in Latvian language, it is letter T. Something between T and K, somewhere in the middle, just a bit softer. T, T, T. And the name of the letter, it is Te, and you will learn how to write it today. It is exactly the same like letter K, just with little vertical line underneath. And some people also are writing this line exactly on the top of the letter, of the leg of the letter. But some teachers in the school say apparently it's wrong. But I guess it's up to you if you want to write it this way or just have it here. And you will learn two words starting with letter T. First one, it is tert, when you want to catch something or catch someone. Tert. And the second word, it is tirzaka, which means lizard. And once you put those words together, you create a little sentence. Tert tirzaku, or catch the lizard. And the 18th letter in Latvian alphabet, it is L. Or the name of the letter, it is L, as in word look or like. And you will learn how to write capital letter L. It is like this, and the small one is written like that. Two words that you will learn today, it is lielisks, or great, greatest, great. And the second word, it is loma, a role. And once you put those words together, you create a little sentence which sounds lieliska loma, a great role. The 19th letter in Latvian alphabet, it is letter L. The name of the letter is L, but the sound that it makes, it is only L. And you will learn how to write this letter today, which is exactly the same as letter L, just with little vertical line underneath. And as I said earlier about letter T, also as a second option, put this vertical line exactly on the letter. And you will learn two words starting with letter L, which is ļauni, which means mean, and ļoti, which means much or very. And once you put those words together, it creates a sentence. Ļoti ļauni, which means very mean. The 20th letter you're going to learn in Latvian alphabet, it is letter M or M, as in word majesty or mother. You will learn how to write letter M. The capital letter you write like this, and the small one you write like this. The two words for today, beginning with letter M, would be mas, maz, which means small, and mielas, which means feast. So when you arrive to someone's party and you see they have a very small feast, you would say mas mielasts. The 21st letter in Latvian alphabet, it is N. The sound what it makes is N, but the name of the letter, it is N, as in the word no or the nest. You will learn how to write letter N. The capital one is written like this, and the small one is written like this. Yeah, and you will learn two words beginning with letter N, which are, first one, nauda, which means money, we all like money, and the house or nams. And if you put those two words together, you create a little name of the house, which called naudas nams, or the house of money. Who would love to have such a house of money, huh? The 22nd letter in Latvian alphabet, it is N. It is similar to N, just it makes a softer sound. N. Name of the letter, it is N, but the sound what it makes, just N. You will learn how to write the letter N, which is exactly same as letter N, just with little line underneath. N. And you will learn two words beginning with letter N. First one, it is ņemt, to take something, and nieburs, which means bodice or corsage. And if you put those two words together, you would create a little sentence which would sound ņemt nieburu, to take the corsage or to take bodice. Well done! Congratulations! You have learned another 11 letters in Latvian alphabet. Now you know all 22 of them, how to pronounce them, how to write them, and all the names of them. And another 22 words, which by now you probably know already 44 words in Latvian language. Such a great achievement. Give yourself a little treat, whatever treat you like to give. And now, to memorize those letters better, let's repeat them once again. H, I, Y, K, T, L, M, N, and N. Well done! If you enjoy learning Latvian language and Latvian alphabet with me, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and you can also share with your friends. And I will leave the link below this video, so you can click to the link of the next video, which will be part 3, where you will learn another 22 words and next 11 letters in Latvian alphabet. See you next time!